Hi,
Capital Bro C,
Mr. D.
and welcome back to another video. Not Sunday, guys, but another video.
Yes, we're a little late.
Yes, alive, having some fun. Apex,
Life be
Apex
right now.
games.
Life be right now.
But yeah, today's video is basically we're going over the signals of brokers and basically just going over the different signals or news like feature in all the brokers. And we might place a trade, we're not sure yet, we might place a trade on like the signals that people provide.
Yes.
So yeah.
A more in-depth explanation to what he's saying. Each of these broker apps, HFM, XM, even these fundamental apps
Octa.
like Fastball as well, Octa as well, they each have this thing where they will be someone and they will have their own analysis people.
What like our Bruce is what's
technical analysis.
But it says okay, there's a more formal term to that, but yeah, basically
those
they have
tools, yes. They provide signals and then they are like, if you want to place this trade, there's a 95% chance it's gonna be a buy or
sell whatever,
85% chance, blah blah blah. But so we are going to see which of these apps or brokers for say has the best signals.
Yeah, and we're placing, if we're gonna place a trade today, we're placing it on a demo account, so it's not actually a real account. So just experiment. So if you're doing this yourself, experiment with signals and see how it works for you. So yeah. So I don't know, I think we start with Octa because Octa is also, I like Octa's design, Mr. D.
It's on the screen here.
Octa's design. So if you're not familiar, we made like all the apps we're going through, we made how-to guides, not how-to guides, tutorials or walkthroughs through the app, so we're not gonna go through that today. So there's, if you want to see where the signals are, it's by spaces. So you have feed and you have channels. Okay, so yeah, you can follow different pairs. So I think which pair should we place a trade today?
Gold!
You see gold?
We are going gold.
Let's go gold. So here's one about it. It was 2 minutes ago.
Yes.
So gold they're saying it's forming a bearish 3-block. What I've never heard about this.
3 black crows.
Yeah. It has been under buying pressure within the last day. Now the price displays 3 black crows. I've never heard this pattern, but the price is ready to drop. So here is a selling pattern on this. So I think we can take a sell based off this and see how it goes. Here's another one, another person 15 minutes ago, and there's a lot of people responding to that.
Are they giving like the length of it, 1 to 1, 1 to 2, whatever?
It's just a signal like basically someone's going. So we can obviously go into a more depth. Okay, we can take it to the chart. Basically, this person's so someone else's thing. So let's go back to that space. Let's see. Okay, this is other pair. See here, someone else puts the stop loss. You see what you use the CAD. So broke support level of. So I think we actually take this trade for the purpose of the video, Mr. D.
But I said go.
Okay, let's go with gold, bro. But the thing is no 1-to-1. Obviously it's a demo account, so we're gonna use our normal risk management. Maybe we put 20% down of the account.
We're gonna go 1 to 1.
1-to-1, okay. So a 1-to-1.
We go 1 to 1.
Okay, let's just work out that. So it's a sell on this.
We're gonna go 1 to 1. 1 to 1.
So they putting, okay, they see, remember this is on the, let's make it a short, it's a sell, but I see it's on the 30-minute time frame because I think we're gonna wrap up this a little bit faster, Mr. D.
30-minute time frame.
That's the chart they did it on. See, 30-minute time frame.
Ooh, it is looking quite delicious.
JPY USD. Okay, there's a lot of other ones. You see JPY moves within the channel. I think we can do this one also. This is on a 1 hour time frame. We take a buy on that. So we can use Octa's one for today's, and we use one more platform after this. So we place 2.
But we always trade this pair.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying, for the fun of it.
Exactly, we know what's clapping.
That's why I'm trying.
That's just unfair.
Let's do 1 gold and let's do 1 JP. So we're gonna do a sell on gold, which is a 1-to-1. We just have to work out the lot size. Remember, this is a flipping $10,000 account.
I got the 30 minutes in front of me. Let's break it down to like.
Okay, here we have this also. So here's gold. Gold is good.
Fractal.
We're doing fractal. So here we got a 30-minute time frame. It's actually going up. Let's just check the 1 minute time
That's
frame.
why I said the fractal says it's going up.
See, 1 minute. It's actually showing a change of character here, Mr. D, on the 1 minute.
But that depends on how long we want this to come. Remember gold, it is all-time high.
And I think on the overall, if we take the trade now, and I think 30 minutes, on the 30-minute time frame it's going down, but I think we'll leave a little because 1 minute, it depends on how long we want the video to be, you see. So on this one they showed it's a buying, more buying. Let's go to that article. So yeah, JPY USD.
There is a buy right now, I was looking at it also.
So here's the article to this. So GP moves within this ascending channel. Okay, it's clearly showing that. So let's just go on the 1 hour here. So it's clearly the same as we can see here. That
Swap it to the
is
30. Swap it to the 30.
to the 30.
To the 30.
Okay. Just want to do the same, like at least duplicate what they've done on that. So here we got that ascending wedge. You can see it's still on that, but it's reached. This was a few hours ago, so actually this trade played out, as you can see here, Mr. D. So we're a little bit late on this. So it was actually a good trade because this could have been the trade at the time. See, when you were here, this was the trade at that time. Maybe we do a 1-to-1. Or if you were now SMC or 1-to-3, whatever. So this was actually a good indicator from Octa. And this was the hour ago. We obviously missed this signal. So that one we will not be taking. So on to the next, which is just the snow white candle. The 3 white.
Let's not go to the older feeds. We have to go to
to the newer one. So the newer one is actually just gold, which is the sell.
Man.
So we take then the sell
Take
the sell on gold. So I'm gonna do a lot size of 1 because that's actually the most we can go. We give it about a 5-minute open. So we take the sell.
5-minute opening on 5 minutes.
Remember, this is a demo account, guys, so it's all fun and games. So we take the sell, play the sell order. There we
We're
go.
on a 1-to-1 basis.
On a 1-to-1, so let's just put our stop loss. So stop loss, how much are we risking for this trade? So let's say we're risking, let's just give it a few.
Bottom fractal was made though.
Where's the bottom fractal?
Maybe a buy.
Oh yeah, it could be. But it's fine, we're following the signal. This is not following a plan, this is just experimenting, guys.
Where does the signal into the side? What?
There was no TP, just telling us more overall buys. Okay, so I think we, for a dollar value amount, let's just put it at a 5 to 5. So let's say if we're risking 600 to get 600.
Alright.
So let's put, okay, this is currently there. And we just let that, and then we put
1-to-1.
Yeah, and then we put it around. It's obviously not going to be the exact same, so there we go. So there is our trade set for this one. So I think that's fine for the one pair. And now we go into another. So I think using XM, HFM or Exness. Which one? Which one, Mr. D?
It's all Octa now, no?
Oh, we used Octa for this trade.
Let's go to our old friend.
We made videos on all of these ones.
Yes. Let's go to HFM. HFM just gave me an alert right now.
Let's see also how they signal, because I haven't used this in a while. So let's see how it looks.
They sent an alert now saying the USD JPY
So
Trade.
factoring, guys. Okay, so there you can see at the bottom is a news tab. So I don't think they do provide signals in the sense how Octa does, but they just give you more of an insight of how. You can see gold is up 14%. When this one was like this morning. So this one is 8 hours. So I don't think they give signals in the sense.
They provide the fundamental
market news. Yeah, basically just your fundamental news. So I think there's no signal. Here's also like give you more of a general idea of the pair. So silver, USD, S&P, gold prices. And yeah, so I think they don't give signals in the sense of
usually I would use HFM's alerts as an assurance to my trade, because say now I took a buy and then they would actually send me an alert on the pair that I'm trading and would tell me if it's going this way or that way, and that would basically assure me in my trade.
Yeah. So okay, on to the next letter, XM. I don't. XM is exactly the same as HFM. I know in the sense of our signals.
I still don't like that.
I know. I think Exness does that. You must Exness, what do you call it?
Former Exness.
You're the OGs, I hear.
Former Exness man myself.
Okay, so let's see. There is community. I'm assuming this is but the community by like how other people do explain this stuff. Trade within the chart. So remember this is other people maybe a little bit more experienced than us, but
definitely
it could be
more experienced than us.
So they do provide. So this is actually other people sharing their trade ideas. So I think we, for the purpose of this video, we take a trade idea from one of these people.
What's the latest one?
The latest one was 55 minutes ago. You want to know about trade detail? Okay, this is just people.
Don't sell me.
Here's another person with gold. Let's see what his market breakdown is. So he just said extended breaker order block, blah blah blah.
Order block.
Yeah. So he's setting a bearish target. So he's actually putting a sell at 311. So he's traded already, and he's taking a TP1 at 35, which is, I think it already hit that time because
305.
Yeah, 305, and he's setting his TP2 at 2998. So just above the 3K. So his trade already played out, I think. So he has TP1. So this was how long ago? You see the time. Oh shit. I think it was a while ago, so we missed that, basically that signal also. Yeah, that was an hour ago, so I think that one played out. Not his second TP because it didn't go below 3K, so his TP1 Actually, let's just make sure.
We are falling late with coming into these trades.
Yeah, it's obviously we're recording it late. So I think we're ignoring or we're moving on to Exness, which is the last one of today's video. So I think we're a little bit late.
Let's give them an overview of the app at least, you know, since
just the news section, the signal video. So yeah.
Basically, these guys are providing signals, just like I said they do on Fastball. If you go on Fastball, you'll find there's analysts as well over there, giving their point of shares, blah blah blah. There's here as well as in XM as well.
Yeah.
I don't think I saw it in HFM. Did they do it in HFM?
I didn't see. It was just like the news, general news, not the community things. Yeah.
Yeah. Octa did the same.
Same thing. Yeah.
Yeah. So basically, there's people who provide signals. Like, I'd say this is for you guys who's not really sure on what to trade.
Oh, and another confluence. Like you have your strategy.
Like I said again, it's just there as how do I say? It is an assurance that for your trade, maybe this person is trading the same pair that you placed this trade on, and they saying they're gonna do this, this, and this, and this, and it's following what you are doing. And you're like, okay,
it just gives you a little bit more.
Maybe they're going the opposite direction than you are,
and then you're like, oh shit.
There was this one in Fastball. I remember there was this one guy. It was a trade on the Swiss franc, and he put now his TP where he's gonna come in, his stop loss and whatnot. So I was like, you know, and when I did the analysis, it came out in the opposite direction basically. So he was a buy, I was a sell, and I was right, he was wrong. So just be careful on that as well. I'd say they're not always right. You're never always right in trading, so just be careful.
And also, like Mr. D said, follow people. Like you will see this certain people's names. So if you can start noticing, if you can see the same person's name and they have winner trades, it's good to follow them. If you see the same person over and over, it's basically no copy trading does it for you, but you follow them. So I think there is markets. Market is where it happens. Okay, here we go. Trading signals. It has one. It has upcoming events, which is basically your news events.
Good old Exness.
So it does have signals. So let's see. Bitcoin. We have some USD JPY. Yeah, we have used this one. Okay, this was way late on this, Mr. D. This was like around 1 o'clock today. So that's it.
I got the USD JPY news now also.
So you see here as a support. So this one showed a buy today, but this is like I said, it's 3-4 hours ago.
It was a buy.
Yeah.
It was a buy. Great buy.
So it shows that. Yeah, we can just see more data and yeah. So I think we take just for the fun or like experiment of this. This is basically just.
We're gonna take the buy again.
We take the buy again. Let's see this USD JPY on the side. This is your pay. Oh, it's still going up.
Yeah, no, it's gonna keep going. I want to show you where.
Here's the buy exactly. So the trades do, or the signals do provide all, but like
see, that's it. That's a weak high. It's gonna break through there. It's gonna go past there.
So let's take a buy, and we do a lot size of 1 also.
I'd say.
Remember, this is experimental, man.
TP 151.
Okay, let me just wait for that, Mr. D. Shit. Lot size of 1. Oh shit. What is it doing? We're having technical difficulties, not lot size 7, there we go, confirm the buy, there we go. Let's go back to our chart. For you don't remember, obviously go back to our video where we did this. So trade, where's most traded, markets, accounts, pending, there we go.
That's it.
To your chart. So where will that TPV stop loss at around
151.297.
151.297.
That's further past this. It's past this.
Is this TP?
Yeah, this is
TP. I thought you said stop loss, so let's just go, maybe let's go on the 30 minutes. Why is it not doing its thing? Okay, there we go. TP 151.297. Let's just put it there.
I think just take it from a 1-to-1 version.
A 1-to-1 version of this. I'm having technical difficulties with the phone, so it's 400 for 400. Let's put it at 420, so around there. So that's basically the two trades. Let's just go as an honorable mention. Let's go Fastball.
Fastball, which we still use.
Yeah, it's been a while since I used Fastball, guys. So I think there might be updates. So it's actually showing me new features. So like it's similar. This is basically on steroids. Everything we showed you now on steroids.
Yeah, because
its purpose is.
Yes, its purpose is to give you the news.
We made a video about
everything.
it. Yeah, so.
Yeah, it's not a place where you come and place trades. It's a place where you come and look for trades.
Yep.
Basically. Yeah.
So, like for example, a pair we just had. So let's go to gold. Yeah, then see if we have signals based on this. So you have technical analysis. Okay, this is just your normal, your fundamentals. And then we have basically it shows you some news about gold and then news about it. So yeah, so he has different people or different articles about it. So it's 14 minutes ago, 15 minutes ago.
And there's a section for where you can just find the analysis, like from the people.
Yes, chats, yeah. Change a little bit. We have trading, we have news.
Let's see, it should be
signals, yes, signals. We have trading, signals, and content. So we go to signals, and then here's the people. This what you talk about, Mr. D. You just say increase this. So this is the people. This is the number one top traders latest signals. So here's latest signals about. So here's gold. It says sell gold.
You see, I told you. Yes.
It says sell GP, which is a profit or loss of 103. If you can see there.
Yes.
But this is look, it's 2 hours ago, so it was fine.
It
held it up. Yeah.
I was still right on the sell on gold.
And there we have sell GP USD. So yeah, I think that's what we got so far. And yeah, it's obviously like I said to help you with your decision making, guys.
Yes.
So let's just go back to our trades. There's nothing we can do now, or we can just wait for these. I think we made it on Octa. We should be down because I think gold's been going up. Gold's been going up.
Let me take a look at gold.
What is it? Okay, we are up $50.
What is that? Oh.
We are up $50. We are up $60 now, guys, basing off the signals. And then we go back to, I think we did it on Exness, right?
Exness. What did we do here?
We did
goodbye.
Yeah.
Goodbye.
Which is actually still holding up. So yep. There we go.
If we come back in different clothing, know that we were waiting for the trades.
Yes, yeah, exactly. Yeah. So yep. And we're back.
Boom.
Come on, day 2. Somewhere the next day, guys. Somewhere the next day. We didn't wait long. So you wanna give the results?
Righto.
Half.
Trade number 1 on the Exness USD JPY was a loss.
It was a loss.
Correct.
And trade on gold Octa was a dub. So signals wise, it was 50-50. And yeah, but like we said, it's random, guys. So not random, but take with the grain of salt the trades you take on brokers, because like we said, it's people like you also having a strategy. So
yeah, again, like I said, this is stuff you just should use for a reassurance on your trades, or just like if you need a backup opinion, you have these analysts.
Yeah, to help you. So quick show of the trades. Here is the one on the chart. This is how the one played on gold. You can see it just there. It went up. Just.
Also, this morning I took a trade on gold. I'm not gonna say how much I made, but it was quite the successful.
You see that song of Miley Cyrus? It's the climb.
Yeah.
I
climb.
Okay, but then the other one on USD JPY is the L. As you can see, we didn't really go into too much profit.
I actually took a dub on this trade, but I think the TP was a bit too high for this one. Right. But on my one, it hit my TP.
Yeah. And I think for like also to note, we came a little bit late for the signals. Like we didn't take it at when the thing was posted. So, but still, it was the actual TP1 and TP2 didn't hit. So it's still a loss in that sense. Yeah.
At the time of our recording, I think there was like 4.
It was a few minutes behind.
4 or 5, yeah.
4 minutes behind on Octa. They just show. Okay, we don't think about for the people. As you can see, we're up 700, and then where is orders, closed orders. Here we go. Sell.
You know what I did this morning? You know what that gold trade I did it, but you see what you do? Place so like 4, 5 or 10 trades.
Yeah, with the.
I went to a max of like 9.
Just so you stopped at 9.
Yeah, I made a max of 9.
And then Exness, that was Octa's one. And then where is close to the R, so here's the L on this one, and there's it basically. So that's the 2 trades. That's the video, guys, and yeah, we will watch up in another one.
In the next video, we will have Joker, I promise.
Yeah, Joker has been a hiatus.
He's been a hiatus.
Peace out, guys.